Hello everyone, it's me Devarut Purandare, and in this video I've got a big one. In this video I'm going to show you three web extensions, three extensions for Visual Studio Code that make you code really faster. So let's get started. Okay, so first is Live Server. Live Server is made by Ritwik, and it's a very good server when it comes to web development. See, I'm just going to right click on index.html and I'm going to open this with live server. It takes no time, and you have to just go to hello. You have to just create any element or just type anything, and it makes changes really fast. Like, can even done. It makes it very fast, and as it is a hot server, you do not need to reload or save. You just need to have you just need to do coding. That's done. On number 2 is Prettier. Prettier is a code formatter which formats your code in a really tidy way. And if you want to jump to anything, you can just search around, and you don't have to spend hours searching an element on really for long forms, and it makes your typing really simple, and you don't need to type so much. Okay, and on number 3 is my favorite, which is Material Icon Theme. A Material Icon Theme is that it's a new icon theme, and it has a unique folder icon system. Like, for public it has given some for public it has given some net icon. For CSS it has given some CSS icon in the folder for style, and for others too it has got really good icon system. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe this video, and ring the bell for instant notifications. It's me. Bye bye.